Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we're going to make quick and easy chicken skewers. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 skewers. For this recipe, you'll need a couple of zucchini, a bell pepper, an onion, and about a pound of boneless skinless chicken. Cut the chicken into somewhat uniform shapes about an inch apiece. Place the chicken pieces in a bowl and mix with a tablespoon of soy sauce and set it aside. Slice the zucchini into uniform pieces between half an inch to an inch in thickness. Cut up the peppers into 1-inch pieces and divide the onion first into quarters and then divide the quarters into 2. Mince some garlic or use garlic powder if desired. Place the vegetables into a bowl and mix with the seasonings. At this point, turn on your gas grill to medium-low heat or preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Assemble the kabobs, avoid overcrowding, and you should get about 4 or 5 skewers. Grill covered over medium to low heat for about 15 minutes, turning every 5 minutes. The kabobs can also be baked in the oven, 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Cooking times will vary depending on the equipment and the size of the skewers. Check for doneness. Chicken needs to be at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If done, plate and serve. Thanks for watching Cooking with Dad, and don't forget to check out our website, cookingwithdad.net.